Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for your love and support. Today we have leaks coming from Oneplus 9, which is going to be 888 processor instead of 865 plus processor. There is also a special edition which is going to be OnePlus 9i. It comes with Snapdragon 636 and IPS LCD panel. If it comes under 15,000, it can be your choice. If you are a OnePlus fan, please do wait. Let me tell you the specs of this OnePlus 9. It comes with a Snapdragon 888 processor. Storage is going to be 12GB RAM and 512GB ROM, and camera specs are 48MP, 48MP, 8MP, 5MP, which is quad camera setup. Coming to the display, we have 120Hz fluid amoled display, which is 6.48-inch big screen. So if you are willing to buy OnePlus 8, 8 Pro, 8T, please do wait till February. This OnePlus 9 is going to release in February instead of their regular months, which is March and April. If you wait till February, you could get a better deal, which is Snapdragon 888 processor, and its Antutu score is 8,80,000. If you look at the 865 plus processor, its score is only about 6 lakh. So it is a huge difference score. If you are willing to buy a phone for longer uses like 3 or 4 years, so it is a better deal, which is Snapdragon 888 processor instead of 865 plus processor. My opinion is to wait till February. Coming to the price leaks, we know that it is going to be 42,000 for the base variant, which is 8GB RAM variant. So let's wait and see what OnePlus is going to bring this February. If you are not aware of the Snapdragon series and their Antutu scores, I would make a video of this Snapdragon processor, which is 865, 865 plus and 888 processor, so that you can know which is better and what the scores, what they are capable of handling the phones with the camera, display, and their RAM performance. So you could have a detailed knowledge about this Snapdragon processor. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please hit a like button and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.